Hey guys, in this video I traveled up into the hills of Bohol to a remote little village, and I go hiking. I think it's almost 2 kilometers to a waterfall down slippery slopes, and it was an amazing waterfall. I never did an intro while I was there, so this is the intro, so stick around. Anyway, we're gonna get some food here in the local barangay here, but I'm going to show you behind me. They're drying out rice. This is where they dry out the rice. So, yeah. Way up here in the province in Bohol. Alright guys, we are on the way to the waterfalls, which are about a kilometer away, we were told, down kind of a dirt road. I'm not going to film the entire 1 kilometer, but this is definitely province. And I'm told that there's 150 steps down to the waterfall. So 150 steps down, 150 up. Local also warned me that these steps are very slippery, so to be very careful. So anyway, I'm gonna film a little bit, but this is definitely province. You're scary. Bang it. Maayong buntag. Huh? 1 kilometer? They're telling us 1 more kilometer. It's slippery, so be careful. Here they're drying rice out here too. Banana trees. Which way to the waterfall? That or that? I'll ask this.
Yeah, asa dapit ang pagian sa waterfall. Okay? Thank you. Layo ka? Ha? Tayo dyan. Salamat.
Here's the waterfall, right here. Here's the waterfall.
Anak ng waterfall.
Let's go swimming.
Kaya pala ayaw nila sumama kasi malayo.
What do we got here? What is this?
Coconut.
Oh, is that buko? Coconut.
Yeah, coconut.
Drying out. Ah. What about that?
Dried coconut.
That's dried coconut? By the way, there's some rice fields down here. And you see a lot of people drying their rice out here. I'll flip the camera around and show you when I get a better view up here. Here we are, still climbing. I can hear water. Oh, there's the water down there. Almost there. I can hear the water. Okay, I think we are near. Because now we got a sign saying waterfalls here. This place, it says temporary closed. And they built a wall. Can we go around the wall? Right here. Okay, we went through the fence and now we're going down. By the way, be very careful. Steps can be slippery. I can hear the water. Is it this?
Yeah.
What the hell? Oh, that's cheating. I changed my mind. Let's go back. We're almost there now. Somebody took the time to build this. Proper steps here. Back there it's rock. And the railings have disintegrated. And because this place has been closed since the pandemic, somebody broke a hole in the fence. And, well, you know, we went through the hole in the fence. They did tell us it's closed, but it's okay to go look. But she said be very careful because it is very slippery. And it is. And of course, I don't have the proper footwear either. But looks like we are about here. Now, I don't know if these are spectacular waterfalls or what. They might just be average, but at least it'll be it's a little bit of an adventure. You know, we'll swim, cool off, eat, head back, and I think probably call it a day maybe. It's a lot of exercise. Going back up is going to be fun. Whew. Still slippery. Ah, wow, here we are. Here we are. There's a pool? Oh, hut, okay. We cross. I suppose this is a good crossing spot. That's a good swimming spot there. Believe it or not, this is not really slippery.
Oh, no. That way. Look at that waterfall. Slippery. Careful. Slippery here too. We are here, and it was worth it. This is the beauty of the Philippines. I'm going to show you this little bridge area and a closer look at the waterfall. The little bridge that crosses over. You see, at one time, people were coming here, and you would have to pay, sit or stand by in this cottage, 50 pesos. But there's nobody here, and the place is closed down, technically. Even had a little grill over here. Hi guys, we are hungry. We're gonna go eat some food and swim in this amazing waterfall. See you guys later.
Sweet honey, they say it real.